Hey everyone, welcome back. Is PUBG Mobile stuttering mid-fight or running at a choppy low frame even in the lobby? Here's the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and free up space by offloading unused apps. Since PUBG Mobile actively uses free storage as working space during matches and stutters badly with less than 15 gigabytes free. Next goes every other app in your recent app list since PUBG Mobile's rendering engine competes heavily with background apps for memory. Then go back to your settings again, scroll down to display and brightness, tap on it and then turn off low power mode if it's on since it throttles graphics performance and directly causes low FPS. Also, in the settings, go back, scroll down and look for battery, tap on it and set PUBG Mobile's battery usage to unrestricted rather than optimized so the system does not deprioritize in the background. After that, finally restart your iPhone completely to clear temporary memory buildup, which is the most effective fix for persistent stuttering after a long play. So all you've got to do is free up some storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode and restart your phone. PUBG Mobile runs smoother and that's it. Subscribe.